Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. Today I'm coming to you all natural raw. You know, I ain't feel like getting too dolled up for this because this is gonna be a practical, simple, everyday hairstyles you can wear with your soft locks. If you saw my previous video, you saw my hair prep for them and all of that good jazz. So now I wanted to show you some styles that I've been doing, practical styles for every day. They are waist and length soft locks, so putting them all on top of my head in a bun, it don't work for me, not comfortably. I'm gonna show you some styles that I've been doing with them, and stay tuned also because I'm gonna post a video of how I wash them, how I've been maintaining them, and I might even touch a few of them up. So stay tuned for that video, subscribe, and like this video, and let's get started. So the first style you might think is basic, but the girls love it. It's classic, it's timeless. Like the extreme swoop over, it's a look, honey. I have my mirror right here. But this is a look. Oh, are my glasses glaring? Just a little bit. Okay. But this is the classic flip over, and literally what I just did was grab all of them, flip them over. Super simple and cute. Like, you can't go wrong with the simple pullover. What I do love about these faux locks is they are their own hair tie. So if you want to grab some hair from the back, pull it like this, grab some hair from the other side, and literally tie a knot, like a little one, like you can just go right into the second style. Turn around for you guys. Super cute and classy. I love to use this for like Zoom days and just getting on camera and meetings and things, so boom. The swoop over style, I go into my gym ponytail. This is the only style I really like for the gym so far. This isn't a hair elastic, and I just broke it right in half. I love using these for like whenever I have a protective style. So just make sure the swoop is in place, and I gather all this hair up and I tie it. So once you have that, I like to take some faux locks, soft locks from the back and wrap them around that hair tie just so we can blend it. The back. I can't tell if it's completely covered, but I think it is. So that's my gym ponytail. It's kind of low. I don't want it too high. Cover that up a little bit. But this is good for the gym. I like this, and I like the swoop over look, so it works for me. So I'm gonna try a high ponytail. I saw this style on Pinterest, and it's a style that I've been meaning to try. So now we're gonna try it on camera. But you want to take it out that swoop and just have them all pulled back. Super easy style, guys. And we're gonna try to do a high ponytail. So what I do is I grab that elastic and guide all my faux locks, soft locks, up to the top. All right, same idea. Grab some hair from the back, wrap it around to hide that bow. I'm doing these really quick for y'all, but when you do them, take your time. And she simply just had like 2 of them framing her face. Like, that's easily super cute. And if you want, you can have like 2 more down here. I don't think I'm gonna do that. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This ponytail, you can see it, like, it heavy. I don't like it in the middle of my head like that. That's why I keep it low. So there's a lot in my head, so just keep that in mind. But some of y'all may be able to handle it. I don't know. Okay, so now the style is super easy as well. We're gonna grab a front portion of our hair and another front portion of our hair. Like so. And y'all should know where we're going with this one. That fell out like that, and I actually kind of like that. So we're gonna do that whole front bang hanging piece thing again. Also like these hair ties, there's the ones with like hooks on the ends. Whoa. not that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so just take this. Okay, so I like that because you don't have to like just worry about like stressing out wrapping it over and over again. But here we are with half up, half down, and it actually looks really nice on soft lock. But what I like to do to like judge this part up instead of just, you know, camouflaging it, scrunchies are really cute because I'm a child. Obviously, you know, have your own preference. You can leave it like this. I am a child. That's kind of cute to me. I don't know. Maybe if you wrap it twice. Is this 90s? Are we giving 90s? And this is the bread scrunchie, which I did a review on that line, and this scrunchie is like amazing. It's been really holding me down, especially at night for bed and everything. It has been holding me down, you guys. Like something like this. Like, I think that's kind of cute. Maybe without my glasses. Okay, I took my glasses off. I still look like a child. Oh gosh. Okay, well, here we go. And here's the side. I like this better than the ponytail. I'll tell you all that. Okay, this last style, I'm sure you've seen it before. I like to call it classy or whatever, but it's just something to add a little zhuzh to the Zoom camera, I guess, unless you guys start having parties to go to and things like that. You can split your hair down the middle or do a hard part, side part. Maybe we'll do that. Hard side part. And you're just gonna start twisting, flat twisting. So you just grab two sections and twist them and keep doing that all the way down while grabbing some hair. I hope I explained that pretty well. I never really had a tutorial on it, but there's tons out there, I promise. Get a bobby pin just to kind of get that to stay put for a second. And then we're gonna work on this side. So just grab like two sections of hair, maybe like this, and then twist, grab, twist, grab, twist, grab. This side's getting chunkier. Ooh. Okay. We're gonna get like a small hair tie and kind of just grab those two ends together. And I kind of just make a bun sometimes. And boom. I do this style a lot. This is like, I call this the crown. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I love a little crown. And of course, do your edges and things, or leave it natural, whatever you want to do. And the crown. I like this style a lot. All right, y'all, and that's it. Those are my 4, 5 easy hairstyles. I lost track, but those are just easy, practical, simple, everyday hairstyles that I've been doing. There's my cat. These simple, quick hairstyles to do, nothing too elaborate. I keep it really simple with this style, and it's really time for wash day, so I can't wait to wash these babies. But stay tuned for that video. Make sure you subscribe, join the family, like this video if you found it helpful, and leave down below some of your favorite hairstyles or things to do when you have faux locks, soft locks, braids, whatever. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.